Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Jillian. I'm going to be doing a quick contour review, and I just got this new Fenty Beauty contour stick. Alright, so a little unboxing action. The contour stick in shade Truffle. Here's what it looks like. We're going to go ahead and just go to town and apply it to my nose. A new place with new people, and I am freaking out. Forehead. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it with this beauty blender. You want to show me how like everything should be folded? Washcloths, just birds, and then makeup that's on the top. And as you can see, with just a few blends, it blends super easily. So I'm liking it already. This is my first time using it. Obby. Alright, so essentially, looks like that is pretty blended. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some concealer. And I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in shade light beige. Alright, so I'm just going to apply it right here. Boom! Looks like that is fully blended, so it's just a quick little contour look. I didn't really have any foundation on under, just going out for a quick drink, but definitely rate this contour at 8 out of 10. Very easy to apply, and it looks great, so.